Okay, so today we'll be discussing about Moonpay, how you can purchase crypto using your card, or you can sell your crypto and verify and all other information that you need about this. So first we are discussing about payment methods. So payment methods, you can pause this screen, you can see this video I have clearly mentioned here. Also, I would like to inform you that some banks may not let you use their card. They may decline your transaction. So for that, you may need to use another bank cards or maybe digital cards. Okay, supported countries. I would like to inform you to please pause this video here and check it if your country is in this list. If your country is in the list, then your country is not supported. Okay, payment verification. So first of all, you can create your account and you can do all your stuff. You can see the screen how exactly you need to verify. You need to have what all the documents and how verifications are exactly done. So here I am showing you in the browser. Okay, you can either create an account or whenever you try to link any payment method, you have to verify. So you have to scan this code in your mobile device and you can see a new page will open up. There is a driving license. First you have to do that. Click on driving license, use your camera for that, give the access for the allow. Scan your driving license, and once that's done, there is a scan ID. You have to also scan your ID. Once that's done, you also have to do a selfie scan. This is a live next check. You have to move your heads and whatever they will be asking you to do, you have to do the same way. Once it's done, the verification will take like 1 to 2 minutes mostly, and after that your payment or whatever it is there, it will be processed. So you can see in this screen it is still verifying in progress. Okay, verification is also completed now, and then you can simply do the payments and you can click on this blockchain explorer. You can see if the payment has been successful or not and all such. Okay, purchasing crypto, I will be showing you a live of how you can purchase a crypto, how does it look like. So first you have to select your currency, how much amount you want to purchase this crypto and what crypto exactly you want to purchase. So here in this video I am showing USD balance. You have to enter USD, whatever the amount is. Then you have to select the crypto of what crypto you want to purchase. I have selected here as Tether TRC20. Okay, that is USDT TRC20 Tron. So you can also select other thing like USDT or ERC20 Ethereum one. So I have selected going with Ethereum. So if you click on continue, and they will be asking you to enter your address, deposit address, your wallet address. You have to paste it there, and then you have to click on continue again. Be sure I am showing it that here I have already linked one of the card. You have to enter the CVV here, and here you also have to, in the bottom you see there is a agree option, right? So you have to agree. So if you are already logged in, you will see the screen like this. So just let me show you how exactly it will look like if you use a card. So if you're using a card, maybe debit card or credit card, you see it will be showing like this, and you have to click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, it will be like going to your bank page, bank's website for the verification for the code. But your bank will be sending you that code. You have to enter that and you have to click on verify. Once that's done, you can see they will be processing the transaction. It will take a little time to get this done. Okay, it will take like around 5 to 10 minutes and it should be done. Now talking about the selling crypto. So same thing, you have to link your bank or your card. Okay, by what you want to sell, like your payment will be going to your card or maybe bank. So you have to first deposit any amount here. Okay, like here also they have wallets. So if you have your balance here in this wallets, in their Moonpay wallets, first let me show you how you can link your bank. So click on bank and you will see they are asking to add my bank account. So I am clicking continue. Here you have to select your bank account. You have to verify and all that. This is the banking stuff as usual. You have to select what kind of account you have. Click on continue and you have to connect your bank account. Once that's done, it will again ask you to verify. As I already told you earlier, that it will be asking you for the verification each time you link your bank. So when you click on continue, it will ask you for the verification again. So you have to do the same verification. Once that's done, verification is completed. Okay, it will show you like this, and it will take a little time. Okay, so it says the verification is completed, and now whatever amount you have placed earlier for the sale, click on sale now. See, our bank account is linked there. Okay, so click on sale now, and you see the amount is processing. This I am using for the MetaMask wallet. So you see here it's processing right now, and once it's completed, we can able to see it will also show you here as well. See, order successful, we can see all the amount, fees and all. If I go to my wallets, I will be able to see the balance. Hope you like the video.